All right, Kate. Kate. I got a lot of shit. Oh my God. Okay, I got a lot of stuff. So let's just dig into it. So this video is gonna serve as the things that I want to do for the month of January. Uh, Try to work with me. Again, I'm pitching a lot of ideas. Anything I have listed in there, I kind of expect done unless you override it. And if you override it, it's completely cool. So let's just go right through this thing. I'll give you some more clarification on different topics. So let's keep it very simple. So look, I only got one submission link now. North and south is at the bottom. Here's the south, here's the north. Let's start. I wish there was a way that I could show you both of these at the same time. Can I go 75%? Go 50%. Okay. Shit, I can't see that. 60%. 70%. No, God, I can't see that. It's 75%. Okay, that's the best that I can do. I'm sorry. Let me bring this up. Let's see if that helps. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. So January north, January south. So 12K at the south. What does that say? At the north, I want 25K. Right. Um, Quarterly rocks. Basically, my athlete program is struggling at the south as usual. I need to get that going, so I need to shoot you videos. Video athlete south. Okay. My goal for the marketing campaign for the south: highlight our boot camp services. Kate, I'm getting a bunch of people that are really trying to. They're scared of that AFT test. I'm getting a lot of Fort Knox people that are looking to counteract that. So what I want to do is say that our boot camp and strength classes really help with that. And my key to that is, if you go into Stormbreaker, basically, I'm sorry. If you go into Stormbreaker, it basically talks about what we got coming on. Key fact: we have a new boot camp programmer from Vitality, CrossFit Vitality. I think that's very important to note. I'll shoot that somewhere else. But I got a lot of movements that they're gonna do. It's more cardio based. It is super fucking cool. I really, really like it. I will share Stormbreaker with you now. All of that is CrossFit Vitality's boot camp. They have a boot camp thing that they do. But anyway, I want it to be known that not that we use Vitality, but that our boot camp and our CrossFit classes can help with that ACF test. Um, on the north side, I need people to know that we are a CrossFit affiliate. And I need our posting to not just go strictly towards CrossFit, but like a nice balance between CrossFit and boot camp. So that probably means pictures from us, and different things like that. I even want to talk about more CrossFit based stuff, like the hierarchy of human development. I think that's important. A lot of the CrossFit lingo, like I want people to really know that the North location is a CrossFit gym, and a lot of that can double over. We can use the CrossFit hierarchy in both locations. That's not a big deal, right? Just because we post it doesn't mean that at one location, at the South location, doesn't mean that we're calling ourselves an affiliate. Um, Sweat Angels, same thing. I got the flyer. I've attached it to an email. Free boot camp. Kate, so free New Year's boot camp. I got this flyer right here. I don't like the image in the middle. I would really like you to create your own, kind of with the same template. Not trying to give you a load though, so just FYI. So that's one. I've attached the links and the images to it. It's going to be New Year's Day at 9 a.m. Bring a friend. Some creative content would be cool, like creative slogan. Start this year off right. Blase, blase, blase. Next, I got bring a friend on January 12th. January 12th. Kate, with this, it'd be cool if you could use some different lingo. Different lingo would be super cool. Like bring a friend is cool, but like maybe something in the caption that says, you know, bring a friend, couples that work together, stay together, something that's a little more different than just the flyer that says bring a friend at the bottom. Something a little more catchy. I don't know if that's a picture. I don't know. Let's just give it a shot. Um, Also, I put in here, when you do this, can you also take a boot camp image? Uh, can you take a boot camp video image or a video and post that with the caption as well? So that's cool. Two things. This one's kind of complex. So I want to talk about, I need clients to know two things: when the kickoff will be, and then I want clients to know the challenge topic. So let's talk about that really quick. Um, if you click this link, I shared it with you. Come on. Wrong one. Here it is. So look, the kickoff presentation at the North location is the 5th, 12 to 1 at Savoy Fitness weigh-ins from 1 to 2. The South location, I got something different going on. We're going to do weigh-ins at the South location. And after that, we're going to head to Stacks Nutrition to do the in-body weigh-in. Stacks Nutrition is going to give us a free supplement samplings and so on and so forth. So that's really cool. So again, North location is going to be at the gym the whole time. And the South location is going to be at our gym. Then we're going to drive over to Stacks for the in-body weigh-in. Please note that, it's going to be the presentation. So presentation involves, nutrition via Precision Nutrition. So that's what if somebody asked what we're doing from 12 to 1, that's what we're doing. We're talking about precision nutrition. There are different things to help you there. And then lastly, so this is a tricky topic, right? As you know, this right here, I've shared this with you. This is the accountability challenge list. This is what people are going to be doing every week. Now, look, I want my clients to know this, but I don't have time for competitors to sniff me out. I wouldn't want this image posted on Instagram or Facebook, mainly different pieces of it. So let me give you an example. So if I scroll down here, I shared this with you, December Fitness Partner Challenge. So we combined, so I had somebody do this for me a while ago, but basically every week she would post the rules, right? And then here's another one, right? And then here's another one. I think this stuff is really, really cool and I like it. I'll go ahead and share it with you. I would kind of want that done, but I don't need all my business on Instagram. I need to know the bare minimum that the clients need to know. So if there's 6 weeks, week 1 might be, let's just do let's rotate. Week 1, the post cardio WOD is 5 suicides, 200-meter row. So I might do just this. Then week 2, the weekly 100 is kettlebell swings, right? Week 3, it's 100 sit-ups, so on and so forth. So you might alternate between each piece, but I don't want to give my whole formula out. I don't want a flyer that says, this is week 1, this is week 2. I'd rather give pieces away because I don't really want anybody to grab what I'm doing. They will be given this, and they will be talked about in the Facebook group. So it's more of a reminder. If you think the whole thing should go out, let me know. I just would rather not do that to give my competitors an edge up against me, especially in E-Town where it's very competitive. So that's that. So I guess what I'm asking for is if you don't mind making one of these per week. I don't know if that's in my quota or whatever, but that would be really great considering this is my big month, big month. Free sports performance on the 13th. Sports performance on the 13th is going to be at 6:30 at both locations. That's a Monday. I'll go ahead and add that in here. And I think that's it. Kate, couple more things. I'm gonna scroll this down. I'm gonna pause this. I'm back. I got a couple things that I really need done. I'm gonna blow this up. So, couple things. CrossFit Top Dog, right? I really need this launched Monday. So when I say you have the logo, you're gonna have the logo. You're gonna post to both social medias. I'll leave that question mark. I mean, I want to say that, you're going to say Savoy Fitness is the affiliate. You don't need to say that we're separated. I don't need that known to be known. Post to both social medias. Um, and then just a quote like that one's really, really big. And then, let people know there is no change of anything. Um, New website is up. That's a big one. CrossFit hierarchy of development and enters. Oh, back to this CrossFit Talk. Please post this Monday. Monday, 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 Monday. Um, it's a big post. I'm looking to I'm looking to take this motherfucker over. So, last one, interns. Kate, I need coaches. Now, when I say I need coaches, um, one of the reasons why I got the affiliate is to get CrossFit coaches. CrossFit coaches have just uh, a better everything in terms of like their knowledge base, getting certs on their own. Like I know a bunch of people that are general population that are just getting certs because they want to expand their knowledge. Those are the type of people that I want, and I need to market to them. Uh, so I'll give you an example. I have an intern flyer right here. Like become a Savoy Fitness intern. Here's what we offer. I'd be wanting to know from you. Could I edit this? Like, does this need to say coach? Does it need to have a couple things from the job description? This is really, really big. Kennedy, Kayla, Alexis, Lobby, all those girls ran track and they did a really good job for me. I really want to tap into this. So I know you did like a coaching flyer. Can I get a revamped coaching flyer? Like revamped, like coaching flyer. Like a really nice one or two that I can kind of post. Right now I have 2 interns. I want more. This is a really big stickler. I think Nick might be leaving to be a cop, and I need to make sure I got enough bodies to get this thing rocking. So I got if there's one big push for the month, it's like this coach. It's the coach. It's all of this shit right here. Like this is like my goal for the month. Um, Other than that, Kate, that's all. I'm not gonna bore you with any more video. Thank you.